What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a new package, and this video is all about, let me get my little knife here. This video is all about home security. I got my desktop over here. If you need to connect it, we're gonna connect it to the desktop. So this is not an Arlo, it's gonna be a surprise for you guys. Camera system, security system. Okay, this is what you need. It's wireless. Okay, I read a lot about it. One of my buddies got it and he's happy with it. If he's happy with it, I'm sure I'm gonna be happy with it. But this thing doesn't need internet, but if you do have internet, that's even good. Great news. That's great news because you could connect it and check it from home. But however, all the data, you don't need a storage data for this, meaning the cloud data. Cloud is the best. Your stuff is saved. But if you don't want to pay a monthly fee, it's all here, okay? And you can put an external hard drive. So this is EUFY. I don't even know. I would say goofy. So this is our package right here. Okay, there you go. Home security system for your house. You gotta get it. 180 days battery life. That's what it states here. So this is a package of bundle of I believe four cameras inside. It will tell you right there. Nothing crazy and nothing that I will worry about price wise. So I'll still need my knife here. We're gonna cut this baby open. We're gonna connect it and we're gonna fire it up, all of it, and full charge. It states 180 days. It tells you there. That's a half a year right there of a battery life. Okay, that baby comes right off, and we should be able to open this package. So what's in the package? There you go. That's what this baby look like. Okay. Nothing. Oh, this is beautiful. This thing sits right there. It does have a I believe you could talk through it. So there's that. And inside you have a camera. You have another camera. And another camera. Oh my god, there's a lot of cameras. Let me just back them up so you all can see of this unboxing. So really not much to it. In the back you got a power a port, Ethernet cable, and a USB, and an on and off button, and a sync button, whatever you want to call it. So here's my 4 cameras. I'm gonna be protected. If I like this is for the new property I purchased. So there's more stuff in here, and I believe in here might be a wiring. Got a manual book, and it does have I don't know what this is for. We'll figure that. It has like a little pin in there, like for something for iPhone. Let's put this to the side. So we got a manual book in here. Do read your stuff, or they give you beautiful stickers. You're protected, guarded, and okay, this is beautiful. There's a lot of little decals and stuff, but that's all that. What we're gonna do is I am gonna go. It tells you how to sync, and then gives you a code for you to log into your phone. It might download an app for you. So starter guide. In this box, okay, this is just the manual. In this box we might have some hardware, screws and stuff. So okay, there's the mounting. Okay, so this thing is gonna be powered up just like this. You know what, I'm gonna plug this baby in right now, and let's undo this. I'm gonna plug this into the wall, but not yet. So you do have these mounts. This is pretty great. Okay, because we have to remove the packaging of one of these at least. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. I should have just, because in the back I got this little clear cover, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. This feels really nice. These cameras feel real nice, so they just attach just like that. So this is how it would mount at your home. Looking at it, it does have a light there. How you gonna do this thing? Pretty much your camera, just if it's mounted already on the wall, you just detach it like that. And in here, does this comes off as well. And okay, I don't know if I like how that was attached there. So pretty much this camera attaches like that. That doesn't feel kind of okay. All right, so that's just swivel thing in there, so it does attach pretty solid. Okay, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so I thought that thing was attached to that. So 2 screws goes on in here, then this goes on, and I'll mount one of these on the wall. I'll show you guys how to do it, and there you go. So what we need to do now is my phone is the one that's recording, so I can't go through it. It does give you a small Ethernet cable. It does give you a whole bunch of screws, and there's another cable in here, USB. Okay, this is the charger for these cameras. Okay, and how do you charge these? This little lid in the bottom, I believe, opens up and you charge them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge these, and then it should be a go-go. Okay, I'll record the rest of the procedure. So to sync these, you're gonna have to read the manual, push the button, and there's a sync button here. It will sync that camera to your stuff. So right now it's flashing blue, so I'm not sure if I have to hold it, but I'll go through the. So it's flashing, so all I need to do is press sync there. Let me see if I plug this in, how this baby feels about that. So okay, there it is. This camera, I'm not sure if it's looking for a camera. Okay, so I'm sure you'll figure that part out. But anyway, this is everything right here for your house. Safety is always first. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you guys got any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. I'll do a review down the road, little by little, how these cameras turn out to be, and also the range of it. Like, you know, you're gonna mount this somewhere outside, so the signal has to go through your house. Maybe you're just gonna be in my basement, so it's gotta go through the first floor and get down there. So we don't know the range yet. I did read about it. A lot of people had good reviews, some had bad experience, but nothing's gonna be perfect. Anyways, guys, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.